Welcome to our new apartment. Can't believe I'm saying that. Obviously, this is an empty apartment tour. I wanted to film this before we bought all our stuff in while the sun was still out and we had good daylight. But we're in the new apartment already. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're gonna start at the beginning and then we're gonna work our way through. But I just wanted to share some things that we probably could have done differently, and we're already getting ready to do differently for our next place. One thing off the bat, you're gonna notice there's not that much storage in this place, and we didn't we didn't think about that as we were looking at places. I don't know why we didn't think about that, but we didn't. There's only storage really in the kitchen area and not too much in the bathroom, so we have to bring a lot of storage in, and that's gonna be a little taxing. And we know for our next place, we want to make sure we have like an adequate amount of storage. But we fell in love with how spacious this was for our starter place in Japan. We think it was really important for us to have like a 1 LDK. As much as we wanted a 2 LDK, it just wasn't possible right now. So we have our contract here and we move in, we have our keys. An exorbitant amount of money has been paid, but yeah, I'm really excited to show off the place because the next couple series after is going to be Let's Furnish Together. And we're getting quite a lot of stuff off Facebook Marketplace, and I'll just share where it's good to find good deals and discounts in getting places. I'm kind of kneeling right now, so I'm not actually sitting on anything, but so if you guys have any questions about the space, anything like that, just leave them down in the comments. I'd be happy to share. Obviously, I'm not going to really show the windows and stuff like that, but be happy to share. We are in Tokyo. We're in a different part that I feel like not a lot of people go to, which is okay. We're in our we need to study Japanese era, and we shouldn't be outside that much anyway, so that's really good. It was below our budget, which is also really good. It is 32 meters squared. We wanted a place that was 32 to 42 meters squared, so we found the latter half, but with every give, there's take. So let's get on with the tour. We're gonna start at the beginning. Okay, so now that I've kind of shown you the space, I'm just gonna walk you through super quickly what we plan on doing. Obviously our bedroom is quite big, so we're gonna get a double bed in this area. I want to try to squeeze my desk into this corner here, this area here, but we'll see. We discussed kind of keeping this door half open. We do have a good amount of closet space, but we plan on putting quite a lot of our things out on the balcony under a tarp. Like I said, we don't have storage, so you know, our fridge will go there, and then we plan on getting things to fill out the storage space. So maybe something here, right next to the kitchen, next to the bedroom. We're also thinking about maybe getting something here right in front of the bathroom door for like spices or something. So that's a possibility. Of course, there's some storage here by the washer dryer, so we're going to utilize all of this space, storage above the bathroom. Going to put like a rack above the bathroom to utilize that space. I'm thinking about utilizing the Genkan area, but there's also not that much space. So, but we might get a little something so we can put more shoes, things that we can use in our next future apartment. Yeah, this is the space, guys. I hope you like it, and you know, follow along because the next series is going to be furnishing this bad boy. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, I hate saying that. But if you want to see more of me, my life and my journey here in Japan, here it is. You know, very excited to showcase everything. And again, I'm going to school very soon, so soon I'll be doing like lots of study vlogs, and that should be like a fun encapsulating moment. Bye.